Hey everybody, welcome to the Gabrielle Fils-Aime show, and I'm very happy that you're watching this video. I found a season 2 So Cool fridge right here, and I opened some of it up, and as you can see right on the left is my Shopkins Christmas tree. So yeah, I found this at Target, and I got this as an early Christmas gift. So I wanted to show you guys, that I actually found a season 2 So Cool fridge. Let's open it up. Okay. Wait, hold on a sec. That fell. So, I just opened this up. And first, let's go look at the exclusive Shopkins. Hold on a second. Let's see if I can get these out. Oh, no wonder. I didn't see that elastic. Stupid elastic. Just dumb elastic. Okay, 1, 2, oh, okay. Okay, so, yay, I'm so excited. Okay, so first we got soda. I really wish this could come like a sparkly food cube. You know what I mean? Because I don't have one. So this is soda. I don't really know the exact name of it, but I'll just call it soda for now on now. Translucent too. And just put you right down here. Okay, I'll just put you in the middle instead. The shelves are removable too. So let's open strawberries and cream. If I could get it out. Okay. So this is strawberries and cream, which is also translucent. Whoop, boop, boop, boop. It's kind of hard to see. There. It's pretty. I like this. I just went toy hunting with my dad, and I was looking for season 4 Shopkins, and I bumped into my friend, and she said they're gonna come out in December 20th. So yeah, I'll give you guys a hint. So here's 6 mini Shopkins. Oh, I think I opened this wrong. No. Oh, I didn't cut an elastic, that's why. Finally. No, there's 2 over it. What? Why? Okay. There. So here's the 6 mini Shopkins. Oh, look at this. This is cute. Aww. Okay, so these feel a lot like rubber. And so this one's like, I like this one's my favorite. And then next we have, this one's like, ooh. Ooh. I like that one. I like all of these. This is one of my favorites too, and this one's like, like, oh, I'm having so much fun. And then this one's like, oh, I'm tired, and like it's yawning. Seriously, these feel a lot like rubber, and I recommend you should not show them to your pets, because then they'll be like, oh, I should chew that. This one's like, hey. This makes me giggle. And then this last one is like, ah. As you can see, it kind of looks like it got a little air. See that, like, little rubber scratched off. And look what it also could do. love this. And the last one hates me. I would recommend that you should keep this. Put it over your 6 mini shopkins so you won't lose them. Well, I didn't just make this up right now, but my friend told me that if you should do that if you have one, so you won't lose them. And I like that idea. So I decided I want to do it too. So let's put you back. But you should cut this off really quick. Okay, I'll do that after this video. I'll just leave that off for now. This is hard to take off. Sorry, hold on a second. I'm so excited for season 4. I cannot wait. If you look on Instagram and you're like one of those people who wants to see the cheat sheet, I recommend you should do that. And there's in San Diego they sell season 4 Shopkins 20 packs. It's really cool. And now they're having these little crates called display cases, which I really like. Oh, I don't know how to do this. Oh, I just did it. Oops. And I'll just leave it like that. So, yeah. I really like this. Oh, this could open. Oh, I like that. Okay, so next I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna open the rest of this. In the cup. First I'll do the cup and then I'll decorate and show you the bags. Okay, so let's see. I always see these in videos. That's so cool! I think that's why they call it. Oh, I like that. I'll try that one more time. Oh, that's so cool. I'll leave that right there. Oh, I love that. Here's the season 2 bags, of course you know. And then let's decorate this with the 35 stickers that come with it, if I can get them out. So here's one of the sticker packets. Let me close this up. I just only decorate a little bit, but after this video I'll decorate more because my limit is, well, my rule for videos is only 10 minutes or less. It looks all crumbled right now, but that's fine. You know what? I won't decorate it right now. So yeah, this is it. Ooh, I'm covering these up. And here's the other one. Excuse me. If it could get out, it doesn't want to. So yeah, this is it. Ooh, it has Cupcake Queen. Oh, I really want that to put that on. Okay, so leave a thumbs up if you like this video. This So Cool Fridge video with the Christmas tree. It has a star too. I was thinking about decorating this with shopping bags. Since I have some, let's decorate it right now. No, later. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a good time. See you later. Bye.